Good morning, everyone. Today is Monday. I am looking rough because we went to bed really late last night. My family got together at my sister's house, so we ended up coming home late, going to bed, and for some reason I had such a hard time sleeping last night. So yeah. So I'm about to make myself some coffee. I did already have breakfast with my husband before he left to work. So I'm gonna make myself some coffee. It's already almost 11 o'clock, kind of like a slow start to the morning. And I have a lot of things to do. The house is a mess because Saturday all day we were focused on yard work and gardening, so we were outside almost all day. And yesterday went to church in the morning and then we're with family, so again, didn't really get much done around the house. So I need to clean up, do laundry, I need to clean out the refrigerator, go grocery shopping, and a million other things. I think I'm gonna make myself some coffee, sit down and make like a to-do list, and that usually helps me be more productive throughout the day because I like crossing things off and kind of keeps me on track. So let's make some coffee. This cup is so cute. My cousin got it for me when they came over with her husband and I love it. It's adorable. I think I'm going to start off by throwing in a load of laundry. I usually like to do that, especially if I'm cleaning or doing something else. I feel like I've already started and being more productive rather than like cleaning the kitchen first and then starting on laundry. You know what I mean? Two things at the same time. So I think I'll maybe take off the bed sheets and throw those in. And I think maybe start off by cleaning the kitchen because that usually, I feel like once the kitchen is clean, because I walk by that a lot and I see it a lot, that kind of makes me feel better. So maybe I'll clean the kitchen, clean out the refrigerator, trim the flowers because they're kind of standing in the kitchen, and start off with that. But oh my goodness, I'm looking rough. I need to do something with myself. Don't worry, I already brushed my teeth and washed my face. I just still look like I just woke up, even though it's been like 3 hours. not long ago, I was watching Tiffany from Beauty and the Beastins, and she was using this method, all-purpose cleaner, the pink grapefruit. And I love anything grapefruit or like citrusy, so I tried it and I love the smell. Because some of them are like too sweet, or I'm really weird about smells, but I love this one. So I've been using this like on my countertops, my furniture, everywhere. This stuff is amazing. So that's what I use to wipe down all my kitchen countertops. I'm going to wipe down the kitchen table with this, and then just vacuum the kitchen, and I think the kitchen should be all set. I think that is pretty much it for today. I didn't do like a really good deep clean, but it does feel good to have clean floors and not have dust on my furniture. I love having a clean house and it just smells fresh and clean. I just love that feeling. There's a couple things on my to-do list that I didn't finish, but maybe I'll do that tomorrow or even later on today. My husband's on his way home, so we're gonna eat dinner and enjoy the rest of our evening. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope this gave you a little bit of cleaning motivation. And don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Hit the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. And I will see you all next time.